Hey ho! I'm finishing for today and wanted to share what I managed to do. So, I basically finished all of our state machines. So, here's the summary of all of them. So, we basically have a user, plan, encode, host, a test setup, a test storage, a test performance, and a test lead performance. And here are inside of the datdot service, which is the main state machine, like a manager of all the other state machines. We are basically having only one state. And in this state, the datdot service machine is listening to these events. Events can be triggered internally through some sort of action that happens, or they come from the chain. So those that have a chain prefix, we know that they are gonna be triggered by the chain, and the others are internal. So that service will listen to these events and then act accordingly by spawning new sub-state machines. We call them actors here. So, for example, when create account event is triggered, it will create an actor, user actor. When hosting plan subscription is triggered, it will create a plan actor. When there is a new hosting setup, it will create a hosting setup actor, and so on. So today, I was working on the plan state machine, which has states subscribing. Oops. Yes. So you're subscribing to the state machine, and then the state machine, you're subscribing to a new hosting plan, and then the plan becomes active. And when the plan is active, the state machine is listening to these events. So to the update, pause, resume, and end. And then if somebody wants to update a plan, it is triggering the updating state. Where is it? Here. And the same for other actions inside of the plan. So it can be updated, paused, resumed, or finished. And the other state machine that was also left was a user state machine. So when the new user is created, it goes through three phases, basically account key pair creation, roles registration, which in the background creates some hypercores and hyper-Bs and noise keys, and then it's publishing everything to the chain. And that's about it. So tomorrow I'll try to see. So here is like for all the scenarios, so that I can test if all the state machines work properly. But tomorrow what I'll try to see is how to stop certain actors, because maybe there will be some event sent that, I don't know, user changed his mind and wants to, I don't know, stop something. And then we don't want the whole state machine to run through, even though we know already that it doesn't need to be happening. So I have to see how to stop. There is something in the documentation here. I quickly saw already that every actor, basically all these actions, they can be spawned at any time and they can be stopped at any time. I just have to see how exactly and how to try it out. But yeah, that's kind of something that I will do tomorrow. And I don't know, I'll see what else can I do to set everything up. Maybe even already try to bring some meat over some functions. And yeah, continue with pushing this forward. I'm really excited that everything is now kind of ready. So yay, let's see. See you soon.